tell this boy every time he come in underwear.
What the heck is that?
Okay, don't be underwear. Got one to my yard. Dirty underwear, my yard. Remove.
It's not dirty.
Thing dirty. Hey guys. Hey Mai.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on, Nickolas? What's up, Mina?
What's up?
What you guys doing? What's going on, Mai?
Actually, we're in the process of packaging a rear diff mount kit for, I don't know if you guys remember last year when we sent a set of the cast aluminum arms to Travis Caldwell. And Travis is a gentleman who was in a really bad accident. He ended up getting multiple surgeries, and it got to the point where he had to get his legs amputated. Which means he has to use a hand clutch and all that stuff.
Oh man, so sad.
Yeah, so last year we decided to send him a set of the arms. We want to send him the full kit, but we just haven't had the chance to. We've been so busy. Lately, we were able to get a little bit of downtime, and we were able to get his kit
Oh, so this is his right here?
Yeah,
Yes.
so that's his rear diff mount kit.
Oh,
We're
nice.
getting ready to send it out to him. Hopefully he'll be able to, get all the parts he needs, and then start putting his car together.
Car together.
And all that stuff. So yeah.
Oh, nice. So S1BUILT doing good deeds all day. We over here at Nickolas Manufacturing, our homeboy has been helping us out, like family.
Is he there?
I think so. I didn't knock on the door. Hey, Sang, I like the hat. You look like real old school, real Uncle Stone right now.
Keep it OG.
Keep it OG.
Hey.
How you doing, son?
Good.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Good?
How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
You can tell. You think he fishes?
Yeah, I think he fishes. Everything fish. Nice office.
Fish.
All right.
I like fish.
This is Nickolas
Feel the
Manufacturing.
difference walking from in there down here.
Look at him. Look at this guy.
What's going on, bro? The cameraman. Nice. Perfection, right?
He does welding too, but he's got to keep it on the.
The DL.
Yeah, so we don't ask him, but
He's like, wait, guys, I'm gonna make this measurement before.
I know, I'm trying not to mess up.
Nice shot, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, definitely. What's up?
What's going on? You got the material?
Yep.
you know what? To be honest, we got to go somewhere. That's where we needed to go.
Yeah, I don't have any material.
That's where we were going. We went to three places.
Yeah, I forgot to get ALRO.
We were like,
We just forgot to go.
Yeah, we were supposed to bring in some metal, right?
Yes, I need metal.
Oh man.
we were so excited. Like, oh man, we gotta go with that.
All morning we said we're gonna go over your shop.
Alright.
We run a little quick again.
I'll be right here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, we're back, Dad. We're gonna do part 2. We're coming back.
I knew I was like, I had to go get
What the heck? You were driving my yacht.
Oh, my fault.
Your fault. Chano. Yeah, so we're back on the road because Jay decided to rush us, and so we're gonna go to ALRO, pick the metal up, and head back to Nickolas Manufacturing. You really gotta wear this in here? Up in ALRO, get that metal. Here guys, we got the guy with the Supra again. The brand new MK5 or MK6? MK6?
6. 7. Why stop at 6?
Let's go 10.
Take it easy. Bi-turbo.
Bi-turbo?
Let's try this again.
Don't forget, guys, for all your metal needs, you can check out ALRO Metals Outlet. And we're off. We're heading back to Nickolas. We back. On we will go. Booyah! What's up, man?
I'll put it right here.
Got some presents for you. This is the man right here.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
My name's Matthew Nickolas here at Nickolas Manufacturing. My father's got Nickolas.
Nice.
We're just a small family business, man. Dad, introduce yourself.
What's up, Dad?
Nice to meet you, man.
How long you have the business? Is going on for a while, or
16 years.
16 years? Oh, that's good.
Punches holes.
Punches
shears,
holes.
like shear a half-inch plate, 12
Okay.
inches wide.
Okay.
And it's a handy tool. And there's a shear that shears up to 1/4 inch by 10-foot plate.
Oh, nice. Let me see.
Right here that bends it.
A 10-foot break. Okay, that's major machines.
Yeah.
Nice shop, pops.
Thanks, bro.
Nice.
Cut everything over here.
Put everything over there. Okay.
And then there's I got a lathe.
A lathe back over there. Yeah.
And then a mill.
Of course.
For milling and drilling and stuff.
Nice, pops. Okay. We like your son. He likes us, so we try to, bring some work.
No, it's so nice seeing him hang around with nice people. When I first met Song, and I was thinking, you videoing?
Yeah. Yeah, you can talk. No, you can talk. No, you can talk.
And I was thinking, well, man, Song's such a nice man. I see got his act together. What's he doing hanging around Matthew? And I see that he's done, and he just embraced him and helped him.
Yeah.
And,
It's
he's
good company.
Excited
definitely.
for learning, and I'm encouraged with him to hang around nice people. It's been a treat for
Yeah,
me.
it's been a blessing. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how it is, man.
He's doing good.
We all live and learn,
Yep, sure do.
Cool, pops. I'm gonna check him out making his stuff. He's making our carrier bearing holders.
Yep.
There's a video we just posted. You showed it to you?
No, I haven't seen it.
Yeah, it's on YouTube, but we showed. Yeah. Oh, he's learning. Yeah, getting it.
No, that's
Got him all cut up.
I don't know.
What is this cut up, right?
Right, yeah.
She's saying that's a good one right there.
Yeah.
That's
see,
exactly.
He did a test run. so-
That's right. Okay.
Perfect.
He's got it set right now. He's letting it up for you. I didn't change it.
No, I got it. Yeah.
You know, you could do that, huh?
Man, I knew he had skills, man.
I know.
What are talking about? No, he got them skills.
Not when the first time I met him.
No, what
In that eclipse,
They just
I was
been
like,
hidden.
man.
Where this racer coming from?
They've been
I was
hidden.
like, what is this?
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious, bro.
He came over with that eclipse. He said he was a fabricator. I looked at him. I had to walk away for a little bit. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, man, it is what it is. You gotta learn somewhere, bro.
I'm busting your balls. You know that.
Hey, bro, you busted him the other day so bad, man.
That wasn't me. That was
Bro,
KK.
that was all of y'all, bro. That was the whole S1 building that day.
I wasn't there.
Dude,
I wasn't
was
there.
my tail wagging,
I
dude.
wasn't
It was
there.
Bad, dude, it was bad.
I wasn't
He
there.
said there's a whole S1 building. He didn't even say.
S1 building, bro.
Nice. Laying down specs right there for the carabiners. As you guys saw in the last video, this is the man behind
The man behind all the madness.
all the madness.
Just give me a few more years.
Nah, dude. This is how it all starts.
Look at you. You're like a pro now.
I'm getting there. It's all up to that, because that old man over there, man. He's the master.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
That's the money.
That's it. Right on time. You the man.
See how this thing's straight?
Take it easy.
Thanks, buddy.
Appreciate you stopping by, man. Anytime,
All
man.
time,
It's been a pleasure.
Yep.
Man. See ya.
Nickolas manufacturer.
Hi,
Hi, brother.
All right, Bubba. Yeah, good seeing you, man. Y'all have a good day. Try not to work too hard.
you.
Enjoy the
Rectangle plate with the two side triangles is this plate. So remember when I said they have to cut this?
Yeah.
And weld that long?
Class
Yeah, so
begun.
does everything
Class in
come together
session.
now?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's the either sides of it, right there. Okay, and this is the diff. This is what a diff is.
Oh.
Okay, this is a wagon diff. So that's the mount for the diff. And you see,
The
this is
student
the
becomes
cross
the
member
teacher.
plate, the most important, the main plate in the middle.
Oh,
with the
sensei.
butterfly, I call these butterflies. But you see how it mounts there and it mounts there? So that's exactly what we just went through.
Look at Mina. She doing the research, boy.
I am.
Does that make sense now? Does it come together?
I am.
Yeah. So once again,
Because I
the
wrap
trunk
these.
cover plate is up here. You guys see that right here?
It's
We saw the top of it earlier. Now we're seeing the bottom of it.
We got Michaela here and Mina. Mino. Sorry, Mino. They're doing some illustrated pics for promotional marketing. Never a dull day, right, Mino?
Never.
You got it? You got a shot?
Oh, that's a good one.
Let me see. Yep.
Oh yeah, that is. Oh,
nice.
Nice. But you want to
There you have it, guys. That's our new marketing team going at it. S1BUILT all day.
Yo, my you, come check this out. Bring the camera.
What's wrong with you?
Come check this out.
This boy, no sense.
Come here.
What you got for me? What you got for me?
I want to show you something, but I'm gonna sit a little because you know I stand a lot.
All right, what you got? What you got?
No, I just want to show you. These are newly assembled
nice.
products that are about to be on the market. So I just want you to, I want the people to see them before they're even on the site. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, up front here we got the toe adjusters and opposite thread, like in and out when you adjust. One spins one way, one spins the other way. Opposite thread, obviously, to make the adjustment. All billet, all the good stuff here, good quality. And then the spacers too, machined specifically. And these are camber arms, but before I get to them, these are all for, these are universal parts too, can be used for up to 2000 Civics.
2001 Integra.
Yeah, 2001 Integra, yep, just like a OE style arm. This is not just for all-wheel drive purposes. This is for everybody, everybody to
somebody
use.
want an S1 part, they can just, we're going to start making more of those parts.
Yeah, we're going to start making more parts like this, but this is same thing, billet, opposite thread, each side Heim joint, billet over here, so really, really high quality, strong stuff.
Nice.
And then these are for our alpha arms, actually, and me and Son have been talking about contemplating making them for, this is for alpha arm only right now, but we're gonna possibly make a bushing for basically the OE style trailing arm, just same thing for this.
Same style, right?
Yeah, same style, but
Some billet
we'll see
style.
like that in the future. We want to get all these new products out soon, so big news coming there soon.
Sweet.
All right, today we're going to talk about the R6 all-wheel drive kit that we're in prototype. So basically, we got everything mounted up and all that, but there's a couple more stuff that we just have to finish up on. Nothing big. So this is the mock-up and all that. So everything fits perfect and all that. The only thing that we have to do is this part right here. So we're going to make another bracket where this thing sits a little bit higher, so we can mount it on to the rail here, so to the frame rail, see it. So, but everything else, as far as this diff mount right here, you can see where it's all bolted up. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These two here is what the only thing that you really got to drill. You got to drill here and then back here, here and here, and then a long bolt goes through it, and you lock it together. That holds everything, So
In place.
yeah, in place. So we pretty much got everything ready to go. These are going to be a real simple, easy kit, so there's really nothing to it. Oh, also we're making a camber for this also. Camber kit for this right here, as you can see. That should
Goes
be
right
out
there.
with it, yeah. So
You thought of making something for the
Yeah,
adjustment kit.
eventually we'll make this whole assembly, but right now we really don't need to. The biggest thing is getting this diff mount up, because you could actually use a CRV or an element, but later on we're going to take this whole assembly off where we could do the adjustment back here for the toe, and this will be a lot lighter, you know, maybe shelf off like 80 to 100 pounds, you know,
Yeah.
off the 2 arms. So that's probably later on, but nothing right now. You see we're mocking up for the tunnel. The tunnel's gonna be available also. So the biggest thing right now for these cars is basically the diff mount, the tunnel, and everything else you use from a CRV like this. Subframe you're gonna use from a CRV, and then the hubs, CRV element. So that's pretty much it.
It's coming together.
For these cars, yeah. They're not that hard.
Yeah, this thing looks solid.
Yeah, so this price here for this kit here, we're looking around $450. So, and that's gonna come with everything here that you see and all that ready to go.
It comes to the cutout right here, or the cutout's gonna be like another price?
No, that's something else, because there's some
price.
people that might want to do it wrong. So
Yeah.
we'll just supply this. Now they could also purchase the tunnel if they want to. So, what else? And this is pretty much a bolt-on style kit. So there's really no welding here except for here, where you got to weld this 2 bars on for the support. So,
All right, nice, man. I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of a barbecue we had a couple weeks back, you know, in the park with some car friends and family. Hope you enjoy.
My daughter?
Can you tell the difference, guys? She's a mom, and she's a daughter. What's up, man? So this guy right here, right? He fought Bruce Lee. Can you believe that? So how was it when you fight Bruce Lee? You hit him with a 1-2? You hit him with a 1-2? That's right.
Hey, no, today, look.
I still got my upset. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
What's up with them yellows, man? Like, real summer. Don't lift it too high, bro. So I need the glass out. Got my shades on.
SpongeBob.
So what's up, these ladies? Hey, ladies. Hey, ladies. Hey, ladies.
It's a hot day today.
I'm going on, guy. Boom. Okay. What up, bro?
Yo.
What's up? Sure. What's up, man? Is that you there? I know, man. This is like literally little you right here. Little mini me, right?
damn.
Hey, what's up? What's Alright. What's up, man? You good? What's up, Mario? You come through the big fan. Oh, star up. Hey, tell her where's the Nissan on? What? Where's the Nissan on?
Still broken.
Shit. See, ladies, I told you he was gonna break that transmission. I told you.
Holding it over there?
Nah. Let's drop it, B. Hey, that thing fly off and go to the street already at the shop. Oh, this thing is powered by some race gas? Everything race gas? We're going to 2-step this?
Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking.
What's up, man?
Brand new wood.
Hungry?
I got
Okay. What's up, fellas? What's up, bro? I'm sitting. You see, Mario. You see it. This guy ain't said nothing, just want to eat. Yes. that, sir? Look at this, sir. OT Mayo. You don't know OT Mayo. Hey, come sign this car. Can I get you to sign the car? I gotta get one of us sign the car. Just So this is S1's daughter. She's walking so fast because she's camera shy. Come, go sign the car. Come here. Checking it up, old school style with that. Ooh. You guys know Isabella? You seen her car, the 4-door EK. Say hi, Isabella. How fast you gonna go in that car? Very fast? A lot. She just had to go official. Not real signature. Whoa. Let me see your notebook. Oh, that's so cute.
Green, babe.
God damn, that's hot. Oh, you got box? Oh, oh, keeping it real. Yeah, you just have to get artsy with it. That was the hottest thing I've done in a long time. It's like you're pushing an extra iron, right?
What?
Brandon, what's up, bro? Long time no see.
Outline it. You should use a knife, honestly.
Well, yeah.
This is the famous JD NSX. He's gonna explain all these cars real quick. We're gonna run through him.
Okay, so this is Sentra. SDR spec B. See, we put this on here to keep the heat in, so that we can get it up to boiling temperature.
And then we leave there. So all the meats that we got, the thick meats, we can just like.
We want that al dente pasta.
Nice CRX. Fiery. This is JD's NSX right there. Kala. Chad's little honey bunny. And of course Chad's old schooler, keeping it real. No, it's all good. No, everything's gonna be cut out, man. I edit. We're representing for the army guys, you know, busting some shots.
Did you see that?
Yeah, sorry.
Who fixed it?
She's like, who brought guns over here?
Yeah, they're gonna be showing up soon.
Who brought all the guns? It's gonna storm bad.
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Where the dip? What are we doing?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Yo, real samurai. Samurai's back. Say something to them. Alright, see? Said a lot right there.
You out here? Yeah, man. You got rubbing in fucking rains? Hell yeah, bro. You got no AC?
You guys out? This is KK's lovely wife.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, Kate, open the eyes for the people. You see the eyes? Ladies, I know you fall in love, but he taking, see? This is the reason why he can't go single turbo.
Single.
He can't go single.
I can't go single.
He gotta stay dual turbo all his life. He never go single. You see that? That's what he working with. That's what he working with. Hey, give me that chain. Oh my God! Yo!
We're out here celebrating all the birthdays
Hey.
for S1. All of August, we got new son, Isabella, Brandon, Josh. Welcome to Nickolas.
That's what I'm talking about. Yo, you guys see that? She's trying to take a picture over there. She can't even get it. She got a picture. Boom. Woo! What's up, my youth? What the ting though?
Yeah, he ain't gonna upgrade it. They got some lights now.
Yeah, man. 25 cents from China. Hey.
Listen, North Korea's listening.
What's up? Everything. I got the ABS tracking. ABS tracking on this thing.
That's Kim Jong-il Nana right
We want to say happy birthday to New in the house. New in the house.
What's up with
Fresh
New?
birthday nipple.
We got his, you know what? Hey, you know what song plays when he got the headband on?
Yep. I have the tiger, baby.
Make sure you drop that, okay?
Both of them? Both of them?
Somebody
Nut!
S1BUILT here on this rainy day. It's a little barbecue, private barbecue, private car meet, sort of, just for the car family. Once again, we appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys so much.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.